Hey everybody! So this week in writing, we have been talking about several different important things to help make your writing better. We have talked about the importance of using spaces in your words, like putting spaces in between the letters, and we've talked about the importance of making spaces in between each word so that it's easier to read. We've also spent a few days talking about what gets a capital letter. So in your writing, you're starting your sentences with capital letters and capitalizing other important words. Today, we're going to talk about how some sentences end with a period. And those sentences that end with a period have a really cool name. They are called declarative sentences. So a sentence that ends with a period is called a declarative sentence. Say that word declarative with me. Ready? Declarative. Declarative. So they are declarative sentences. In the word declarative, you may hear declare. If you declare something, I declare, that means you are telling something. Remember, a sentence that ends with a period is a telling sentence. So that's kind of where the word declarative comes from. It's a telling sentence. So if you say, I declare we should go outside, that just means you are telling that we should go outside. So declarative is a telling sentence that ends with a period. So let's look down here. And I'm going to write that big, long word, declarative sentence. Look at you. You're going to be so smart now knowing that big, fancy, long word. Declarative sentence. A declarative sentence ends with a period. Okay? So let's write some examples of declarative sentences. I'm going to choose to write a few sentences about myself. So, my name is Miss Clark. Let's make that my first sentence. That is a telling sentence. It is just telling something about me. So, my, capital M, my name is Mrs. I don't think I'm going to have room for Clark. I'm going to have to go to the next line. Clark. This is a telling sentence, so it doesn't need a question mark. It needs a period. My name is Mrs. Clark. You may notice that there's a period right here. That's because Mrs. is an abbreviation. An abbreviation is when you take a long word and make it shorter. So if I was actually going to write out Mrs., it's actually spelled like this. Mrs. But instead of like teachers or other ladies writing out Mrs., because that's way longer, they abbreviate it and make it MRS period. So this is not the end of my sentence. This is just an abbreviation. My name is Mrs. Clark. Okay? Let me write another declarative sentence about myself. Remember, a declarative sentence is a telling sentence. Telling sentence. And it ends with a period. Okay, my name is Mrs. Clark. I am a teacher. There's another sentence about me. I am a teacher. Period. Okay, look at those nice spaces between my words there. I hope you're doing that too in your writing. So this is a telling sentence. It's just telling something about me. It needs a period at the end. I am a teacher. What's something else about me? How about, I like ice cream, of course. I like ice cream. Okay, this is a declarative sentence. It's just telling something, so it needs a period at the end. All right, so declarative sentences are sentences that end with periods, and I'm just highlighting those so you get your attention drawn to them. Periods. Okay, A declarative sentence ends with a period. All right, for your assignment, you are going to write 3 declarative sentences in your writing journal about yourself. So 3 sentences telling about yourself. All 3 of these sentences should end with a period because you're practicing writing declarative sentences. Okay? Make sure that you take a picture or submit a video when you're done, and make sure I can see your sentences. If you make a video, also read your sentences to me. All right, so 3 declarative sentences about yourself.